Ms. Bailey, it's your turn.
Wonderful. And I just wanted just a reminder that witnesses cannot be talking to each other about the case. And so I just want to make, if we could kind of make sure that that doesn't happen, that the witnesses are not talking to each other, it would be wonderful.
If there's nothing else for this witness, you're excused.
And may the witness be released from her subpoena at this point?
Yes, but she still can't talk to other witnesses.
Please, strongly. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, now Angela Christensen is still an inmate, and just hearing from the commander, I think what they intend to do is bring her in uncuffed, but they will have Lieutenant Duarte next to her just in case anything happens. There's nothing that is anticipated to happen from Angela Christensen, but just want to bring that before the chairman before she actually comes in to see if there's any objection from the commission.
I don't understand why we would have Lieutenant Duarte sitting with her. I mean, there's other individuals who are not a part of this case who I would imagine would be able to sit with her here.
She's already been released from her. Lieutenant Duarte's already been released from her.
I understand, but
She
she's
can't
still been
testify
admonished.
anymore.
I understand that, but she is still she's still a party to this action, and she's sitting with the inmate. She took. I mean, I don't know why we wouldn't have. There's other people to sit with this inmate. I don't know why we would need Lieutenant Duarte to sit with her.
Well, I don't understand the implications. What are the problems with it being Duarte?
Well, I have a bit of a concern that I don't want any undue. I don't know of any undue duress upon this inmate. I want her to be able to speak freely. I don't know. I know that Lieutenant Duarte is a party to this action, or is a person who is complaining against my client, and so I am just raising for the record an objection that there's really no need to have a person who's a witness in this case sitting with another witness in this case to control the witness when we have an ability. You wouldn't do that in a court of law, and this is a quasi-judicial proceeding. So there are plenty of individuals other lieutenants that are not a part of this, who could sit and make sure that she was not going to attack anybody here.
Okay, well,
So,
Mr. Chambers, what are the prospects of our getting someone else to sit with her during this?
We'd have to talk to the major, but I would point out that when this happened in southern Gila County, many of the jailers that are in southern Gila County are are listed as witnesses here, many of which have not even testified yet. The other thing that's going on, I do know there's I believe it's still going on today. I didn't talk to the prosecutor this morning, but there is a felony trial going on, and I believe some jailers might be involved in that. I turned to Major Solberg to see if that's correct. So I don't know, Major Solberg, is it possible to get some other?
We do. As a matter of fact, Julie just told me that. Commander Graver, I'm also in here too. And it's to protect all of you. She is an inmate. Do we anticipate anything happening? No, we do not. But I am in here. Commander Graver has offered to come in. The inmate Christensen is really scared right now. So.
Well, I'm safe. I feel safe with your presence.
Yeah, with just him in the room is fine with me.
Yeah. I'm just curious. I would think this is going to be a fairly emotional experience for her